June 14 is the day people across the world will come together to create history. The world will remember this date. Do you know why? Because on this day at 6:15 am, under the leadership of Shri Pratap Rao Jadhav, Union Minister of State for Ayush, the Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga, the Ministry of Ayush and Habil will come together to attempt a Guinness World Record. From every city and every village across the world, lakhs of people will practice yoga together at the same time, for their own health, for the health of their loved ones, and for the well-being of the entire world. Along with India, millions of people from 130 countries are already joining this movement online every day to practice yoga. The Ministry of Ayush invites all ministries, state governments, institutions, organizations and citizens across the world to register for this Guinness World Record attempt and become part of this historic moment. For each participant, so that every member of your family can receive a complimentary World Record participation certificate. Your certificate will be sent to you via your registered WhatsApp after you attend the session. So come, be a part of history with your family. Give a missed call on this number right now, 1800 315 7008.